Right, both cabs are now stripped out. Back to the frames. This one here needs a bit of welding. And on the top where the roof used to fit, I just released the fiberglass roof section off this one. This one's in far better condition. So the roof's repairable anyway. It's been repaired at some time in its BRTs by the look of it. So it's all left basically now is to take these lamp brackets off and take that rear plastic window out, and that bit's done. It's just a matter of cleaning up really, but I think this frame will be the one that's going to go onto the 951. Unless I find anything different or something extra that needs doing, but I think that's the best option. Now this one needs lots of cleaning and welding. I wish I got a blaster here, but it's too messy to do this job. So that didn't take long. And we put the good roof section in the greenhouse due to high winds we had Friday night. As you can see, she just needs cleaning up. She's in really good condition. So I made an appraisal now with the cabs, but and the plan to take that forward. But the next stage is to get the machine back to work on to do a good old check on that. I suspect that the engine's going to need a rebuild on that one, but we'll come to that when I get it. But obliterated these cabs now, so as I say, basically get that perspex out of the back of that, take some extra bits off, and these two cabs are stripped down to their frames. This one does need a lot of cleaning up. I had great trouble getting the doors. This actually come off the machine. This is 007. I had great problems getting the doors off because everything was rusted up, seized up. Even the door hinges were jammed, but managed to get them off. So that's it for now. I just a general tidy up and get this cab out of the way. I was thinking it'd be quite easy to repair, I would imagine. Fiberglass is easy to work with, but you can. It's been on this since new, I would guess. So you're looking, I don't know, maybe 50 years. I don't know, around 50 years. Not sure. So that's it for now until I get the machine back. I'll be doing a video on that when we get it. So till next time.